Hey guys, this is Ruben with Ruhl Construction, Asher Homes. This is the Brisbane, over 5,000 square feet. It's 161st in Bixby. It's awesome. It's on 5 acres. Cannot wait to show you it. Let's go check it out. Well guys, that's it today. Thanks for joining us once again as we show you these custom, fresh homes built by Ruhl Construction. If you're interested in this one, I would love to give you more information. You can find that in the caption, but also by texting me or calling me. We'd love just to connect with you to give you more information. My number is 405-520-2606. Thanks.